In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to move a column in Google Sheets. This is a quick, reliable way to reorganize your data without copying, pasting, or risking mistakes. By the end, you'll know exactly how to shift a column to a new spot while keeping everything intact. Start by opening your Google Sheets document and letting it fully load. Take a moment to identify the column you want to move. At the very top of the sheet, each column is labeled with a letter, like A, B, or C. That letter is your handle for moving the entire column in one smooth action. Move your mouse to the letter at the top of the column you want to reposition. Don't click inside the cells themselves. Aim for the column letter tab. As you hover over the letter, watch for the cursor to change into a hand icon. That hand tells you you're in the right place to move the whole column rather than just a single cell. Click and hold on the column letter. You should see the entire column become highlighted from top to bottom, including any headers, data, and formatting. This confirms you've selected the full column and are ready to move it. While still holding the mouse button down, drag the column left or right toward the new position. As you drag, look for a vertical guide or insertion bar that appears between columns. This indicator shows exactly where the column will land. The column will snap into place immediately to the left of that guide when you drop it, so line it up carefully. When you've reached the desired spot, release the mouse button to drop the column into place. Your data moves instantly, and any formulas that reference this column typically adjust automatically. It's still a good idea to glance over your sheet to make sure everything looks correct and that headers remain aligned. If you didn't drop it where you intended, no worries. Use undo to revert instantly and try again. If your sheet is wide, you can keep dragging to the edge of the window to auto-scroll, making it easier to move the column far across the sheet. If you find the guide hard to see, zoom in a little for better precision. One final tip: make sure you always start the drag from the column letter, not from inside a cell. Starting from a cell moves cell contents, not the entire column. With that, you're all set to rearrange columns confidently and keep your sheet organized in seconds.